Well, hello, YouTube. My daughter messaged me today and said that her mom's the Lexus tire is flat. Uh, so that's what I'm gonna try to figure out what happened, and we'll go from there. All right, let's get to it. So I pumped it up, and if y'all can hear that, let me switch this here. All right, so I pumped up the tires, and let me see if y'all can see this. It's right there. It's got that. It looks kind of dark. You can see it. You can see it right there. You can hear that air when I put my fingers right there. The air is blowing out. Okay. So, okay, found out what's wrong, and I'm gonna try to fix it tonight. Okay, and I'll show you how to repair the tire. All right, let's get to it. All right, folks. So here's what. So you can see this here. Your socket. It's number 21. All right. So it's what you need, folks. Your socket is number 21. Okay. And then for the lock nut itself, there's a special key. One of them. All right, we'll get to it. All right, y'all can see this key. This is a special key. You see it has the notches, different notches in there. Okay, I'm gonna show you the special key lock nut on the rim itself. All right, and this here, it just is the same. Your socket 21. Oh, your socket number 21. Sorry about the shaking there. And it's the same size there. Okay, for the adapter, for the special key. All right, let me show you on the rim itself. So that is the special key right there. All right, and then that's what it looks like. Okay, just go just like that. All right, we get to it. Alright folks, it's getting dark and it's cold. So if you look at it, she got little nails right here. But I don't think that go through. But the one that did the damage, show you here. See that? Alright, so if you can see that, that's what did the damage. Alright, so we're gonna try to get that out and repair it. We'll get to it. Alright, so here's another one. This is where you're gonna thread this in. Okay, and then this tool here is to thread down the hole so you can clean up that hole, and then you can put this there. Alright, we're gonna try. Alright folks, so we clean. Oh, let me show you. So use this tool to clean that hole right there. Make sure it's clean. Alright, and then this is what we're going to use next. We're going to thread it in here, and that's going to go in just like that. Alright, I'll show you. Alright, get one of these. And then we'll slide in here. Hopefully. Alright folks, so press that in until it goes in like that. Alright. So, and then usually you just yank this out, and then it will stay in there, and then you trim this off. Okay. So do a little bit more here. Try to squeeze it in, just like that. You can see it's getting dark. See here, this side. You can see that better. All right. So and then you just yeah, that one. Hopefully. There you go, just like that. See? Then that would stays in there. Okay. And then you can trim it out. All right, now we're gonna put the air in and see if it comes out or not. All right, folks. So usually I like to put about 40 psi. There, you can see it. And then I don't know, don't hear anything anymore. So, all right. So what we're gonna do, folks, is I don't have a spray bottle right now. Again, this is the Cambodian redneck way. I'm gonna pull on where I'm repairing it. Okay, and see if it causes a bubble, and then anything there. So looks pretty good to me. You can see there, there's no bubble coming out, so I feel pretty good. Okay, and let me trim this a little bit. I'm gonna put the rest of this stuff here and see what it looks like. Nope, there's no bubble, no air's coming out. Okay, so I'm gonna trim this a little bit. Not much, just trim a little bit, so that way it's even with this. And then we're gonna put the tires back on. Okay. All right, folks. So I use this, and you know it helps me. So usually, see this. I use the 100 foot-pound torque. Okay, that would help. I don't over tighten anything, because sometimes you use the compressed air tool there. It's hard. All right, let's get to it. Extension, kind of to protect how much torque you're gonna use. So now I can do that without worrying it too much. Sure. There you go. Around, turn. That's it. And then we're gonna lower it down until the tire hits the ground a little bit. And then we're gonna do the final test, torque. All right, folks. So usually I like to double check one more time. There. Just make sure. There you go. See, it's one notch. And of course, we have a special tool here, special key. Okay, it's pretty good. Hey, just so you all know, my daughter's helping me recording this. Appreciate y'all.